But we promised ourselves that we were gonna go out twice a month together. So we're trying to keep our promise.
Sure.
Will I be going back anywhere? No.
You won't break my soul. You won't break my soul. I'm telling everybody, everybody. Now I just fell in love. Now I just quit my job. I'm gonna find no drive.
So hi guys, happy Monday. I didn't do much of anything today, but I did get some stuff in the mail. So I got 2 new waist trainers and I want to show you guys them. I will say I'm pleasantly surprised. This is a black owned brand and it is my mom's brand. Not saying that I expected the worst, but she definitely surprised the mess out of me because these are such good quality. My mom started a business where she is selling waist trainers, shapewear, and scrubs because she's in the medical field. And yeah, and these surprised the mess out of me. If you guys know, I normally wear the J Sculpt waist belt and I spent a lot of money on that waist belt, and mid my fitness journey it broke. So I haven't been waist training and I feel like I kind of plateaued with my tummy area. So I definitely wanted to start at waist training again because I'm more in maintenance phase. I love my butt, I love the weight that I am, but this little bit of fupa that I have left is gonna need a push to get it to leave. My mom actually sent me some of her stuff and I will say they're amazing. So this right here is the first one. You have 3 clasps, so it's adjustable, and then you have a nice sturdy zip. One thing when you're doing or looking for waist trainers, you need to make sure the zip is sturdy, because with my other waist belt the zip is what gave out. And this also come with 2 belt. So this is going to target your upper waist area and your lower waist area, and I love that a lot. And then this is my personal fave so far. So it has her logo, Sim Sima. That is her waist trainers. So this one has 3 belts, a top, a middle, and a bottom. And this right here targets your upper belly, your middle belly area, and definitely your fupa. And the fact that it has so many adjustable straps, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 adjustable strap, it's amazing and it's stretchy. So yeah, so please go support my mom. I'm sure y'all tired of seeing me in this bathroom, so I'm gonna take y'all out of this bathroom tomorrow because we have shopping to do. So until then, see you. So happy Tuesday. My package, my Brandon Blackwood package that I've been waiting for 2 days now, I tracked and seen that it was left at a CVS. They came last night at 10 p.m. to deliver this package. 10 p.m. I wasn't going to open my door at 10 p.m. because me and Babe made a pact that we're not opening our door for anybody that wasn't invited to our house. So they left a note saying that they're going to deliver today. Came home. I was at the gym actually, and my package said delivered. I thought Babe signed for it. No, he didn't. They delivered it at a CVS. No notice on my door, no nothing. It was just left here. So if it's this is how they're doing his shipping, he needs to do something about it. I already wait months for my bag, and for me to be going through more stuff is not it. And I love supporting black businesses, but sometimes their customer service and their business isn't done properly. But yeah, that's what we're doing now. Coming to see this and yours. It's ours. But I got my package. It only took half an hour to get it. But the CVS has never had staffing ever. The people that work in here has been extremely slow ever since I've lived here ever. But yeah, going to Walmart now because I have some things to pick up. Hopefully Milani don't drop asleep, but that's what we're doing. So see you then. And I got some stuff from Walmart. I got a little bit of stuff and it came to $150. So I got these 3 cups, those 4 teacups, 6 cups, because mix match cups and 1/2 cup, they gotta go. They don't match the aesthetics. So, and I also got 3 mats. This and another one for the garage. Then I got this. And these. I got this and this. This door is still not as clean as I want it to be. I need to get newspaper. But this will have to do for now. I also got this mason jar. I actually got two of them and one broke. So one is gonna be for excess oil, and then the other one is supposed to be for Babe's little onion, pickled onion thing that he has in here that has to go. And see, I have all oil in that. But one broke, so I'm gonna have to get another one. But anyways.
I beat my face, moving fast cause the Uber on the way. Taking pictures, make sure you can see no less. That we secure like the money in our safe. I look like babe, now I'm on the way. But you know when I'm about a mile away. When I'm outside, please don't make me wait. The party's starting when we pull up to the gate. Girl, we so late, I'm just with the crew. We ain't out here looking for boo. But some nights be better with you. It's a homie, something kind of mood. And tonight
So I just unboxed my Brandon Blackwood bag. So pretty. And the new hardware, amazing. But I just got from the gym, and I was just saying on Instagram that this week was such a struggle for me in the gym. I don't know if because I've been training until failure. So what failure means is I train until I can't train anymore. I literally go until like I'm shaking. So this week has been super hard for me to actually show up to the gym and be motivated to go to the gym. But today's Thursday. Tomorrow we are actually going to go out by the hook or the crook, we're going out. So I'm excited about that. I'm gonna take it easy tomorrow. I'm probably just gonna do cardio. So yeah, that's all we're doing. I really don't have not much planned today. I'm just actually, where the hell are my plates? Okay, that's weird. I bought new cups and new stuff, so where are they? Let me go ask this man where. I was just freaking out, like, where are the cups? Like, where are the teacups and the stuff that I bought? But babe, pack them out and put them in here. I actually need to go put back the wine glasses and stuff that was in here. But, yeah. I was about to freak out. I'm like, what the hell? They're normally in this cupboard right here. But I guess babe liked them over there. So I'm gonna keep them there for now. So yeah, I'm gonna try to find something to eat and carry on with my day. I'm probably gonna go in the pool. And the pool deck have been clean. Yesterday you saw me bought new mats and stuff and put out there. It's looking real nice, real nice. So, see you soon. It's dark. Why is my screen dark? I'm turning it up. I'm turning. Sweet girl, where the bushy are? So Elaine and Shalian and Sharika is about to race. Get down.
Really?
Yeah.
Babe,
I'll trade it next 200. I'll trade it.
what can I find out of this?
Babe, this is the final. This is their last race. Why do you think we can't throw her from home? Alright, so.
You let them story come on, people should know how long this stuff we get from our road. Yeah, so I think you know the road, you think come on there.
Well done. 1670. He's in 10th overall.
Hi, shut up.
Get down, Kai.
It won't matter.
Wait.
Nadine of Pakistan.
No memory card. I hate you.
That's brilliant. He knew that. Got to the Asian Games with strong fifth last year.
We don't care who wins as long as we come 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, all of us.
Yeah, now is this who wins. It's 10:24 and my kids are still full of life. They should be in their bed sleeping.
Them bionic.
They're bionic. I gave Melanie some melatonin yesterday and she was up till 11.
She laughed it off.
She laughed, yeah, basically. I gave her the chewable ones and it actually worked, but the liquid, it's not gonna work.
Munch.
I don't know where them picnic come from.
One juice, mommy?
They're overactive. I don't know where they get it from. It's not I.
I love your sleep.
Cause I love my sleep and everybody wherever watch me say I never gave any problems and me never did overactive or anything like that. Giving me TV and me food and me juice and me good fit like 3-4 hours. They may pick me up. Give them what they want for about 5 minutes. That's as long as they last.
Let's call it order right now. Kellyanne first, Elaine third, and Sharka second.
If me I'll call it order, I also Sharika first.
Sharka first.
Sharika
I'm
first.
gonna beat Kellyanne.
Sharika first. Kellyanne second.
No.
Elaine third. Elaine have a whole injury and I didn't even know that until they talked
Elaine
about
have 2 injuries.
She have 2 injuries and I did not know that until they talked. I'm surprised she's still around with them, they injured her.
So I expect to see her running a fast time.
Leave it on the track, Elaine.
Makers are going to be there.
Sharka look fierce, so free.
But it's the tension of being in your first global final. Talk us through how it actually
Sure,
is about to witness history. Whoever wins the Women's World Championship final over 200
Kellyanne's
meters.
gonna go have our baby and come back. Still winning races.
Yeah? It's what you choose, you know. And everybody can do that, Kellyanne do. Some people have baby and can't come back from it. 20 years later, they might tell you about baby fat.
Remy has said,
Hear this one, you know. Watch out, babe, watch out. She gone, you know. Yo, Shelly gone, you know. Somebody, oh, bomb cloud. Look at babe, look at who. Babe, look at who. Look at who. Look at blood clot. Look at who!
What we tell us again?
Sharka, your time, girl. Dina, Asha get third.
Lifting. And
Because that's what Elaine not hurt ourselves. Or re-injure ourselves.
Yeah, Elaine. Big disappointment, Jano.
world record is within this woman's grasp. She has just become the fastest living woman on earth.
Wait the fuck up. Wait, what?
How well did Jackson execute?
She just became the fastest living woman on earth. How?
She broke Elaine.
Look at 200 meter, Jackson 21.45. Bomba clot! Girl,
I saw.
how you run going there, your greatness? Blood clot!
She's in her prime.
Make the race possible for everybody.
A baby in a track and field, listen up.
Shalika Jackson winning in that time had a lot to do with Shirley and Fraser Price. But in the last interview,
Yo!
guts, and sometimes your heart has got to be bigger than your legs and your lungs. And I think
Yo!
Shirley Jackson's heart was the biggest part of her body tonight.
No, Sharka run left them blood clot. At that one tonight. She literally run left them blood clot. Boy, babe. You don't see length?
There. A 400 she running up.
Our specialty.
200 is our specialty. Wait till she perfect the 100. Nobody can touch her.
Majestic run, which lived up to the hype of expectations.
Why not live for she? The winner me want to see.
very well. And she
She take picture of our.
Go on, Sadina. And big up to the UK too. Me so reaching there.
watching her throughout the 100.
And I might have to fling me out again.
She can get it done, and she did tonight.
I really hope you enjoyed watching that wherever you are.
Yeah man, greatness.
This is our sports turn to be front and centre.
Boy, the Jamaican bloodline, the trunk sitting the night. Cause all the ones that win for England are Jamaican.
Sitting down again now, but it was a
But look at Elaine disappear, babe.
Elaine gone off her feet and I see look like something wrong with Elaine.
John no
That's why
star.
I was saying, me glad she not re-injure herself running this race.
22-32 was sixth. They are two fine athletes, the two Americans, and their time will come. But this was such
We don't predict already, so I'm up. So today is date night and my kids are sleeping, so I'm trying to be quiet. I'm trying to get ready on camera and still leave out here on time. So we gotta leave here by 8. It's now 7:10 and I gotta do my makeup. Oh, and how convenient. We planned this and my period comes. It never fails. So I want kind of a fresh face, but I also want coverage. That's Babe's favorite kind of look. Fresh face, no makeup kind of makeup on me. So this is the L'Oreal Age Perfect Radiant Serum Foundation in hazelnut. Hopefully this don't have any flash and I can get because I need to see my face. La 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 la. I had to switch around my schedule this whole week just to be able to go out. Crazy. I'm a person that likes to stay in my routine once I have one, and this week was hard for me. But we promised ourselves that we were gonna go out twice a month together. So we're trying to keep our promise. Cream blush, my favorite blush that my kid dig out.
Yeah. Too sexy for this syrup, too sexy for your girl, too sexy for this world, too sexy for this ice, too sexy for that jack. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah. Whoa. I'm too sexy for this syrup, too sexy for your girl, too sexy for this world, too sexy for this ice, too sexy for that jack. Yeah. I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack.
So which purse? Orange or black? Hurry up. So hi everybody. We're back. We went to Rum Jungle in Orlando. It was a real Jamaican party. The vibes was nice. They had dancehall, reggae, soca music, but needless to say, okay night. Will I be going back anywhere? No. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. This is